It is simple to make, and the high heat of the grill brings out the natural flavors of the fish. Here are some more details on how to prepare grilled salmon fillet. Ingredients: salmon fillet, skin on or skinless, olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon wedges, optional. Instructions: preheat your grill to high heat. Rub the salmon fillet with olive oil on both sides. Season the salmon with salt and pepper to taste. Place the salmon fillet on the grill, skin side down, if the skin is still on. Close the grill lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Carefully flip the salmon fillet over with a spatula and continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the salmon from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Serve the grilled salmon fillet with lemon wedges on the side, if desired. Calories: a typical serving of grilled salmon fillet, 4 ounces, contains around 250 to 300 calories, depending on the size of the portion. Variations: while the basic recipe for grilled salmon fillet involves simply seasoning the fish with salt and pepper and grilling it, there are many variations of the dish that incorporate different flavors and ingredients. For example, you could try adding a honey and soy glaze to the salmon before grilling, or serving the salmon with a side of mango salsa. Additionally, you could experiment with different spices and herbs to create your own unique flavor combinations. Grilled salmon fillet is a healthy and delicious dish that is perfect for a quick and easy meal. When grilling salmon, it is important to monitor the cooking time carefully to avoid overcooking the fish. With a little practice, you can become a master of grilling salmon fillet and enjoy the rich, savory flavor of this popular fish. Salmon sushi roll is a popular type of sushi that is enjoyed by sushi lovers all over the world. It typically consists of vinegared rice that is wrapped around raw salmon and various other ingredients such as avocado, cucumber, and cream cheese. Here are some more details on how to prepare salmon sushi roll. Ingredients: nori sheets, sushi rice, rice vinegar, salt and sugar, salmon fillet, fresh or frozen, avocado, cucumber. Cream cheese, optional, soy sauce, wasabi, optional, pickled ginger, optional. Instructions: cook sushi rice according to package instructions. Once cooked, mix in a mixture of rice vinegar, salt, and sugar to give the rice a slightly tangy flavor. Cut the salmon fillet into thin slices. Cut the avocado and cucumber into thin slices. Place a nori sheet on a sushi mat or a sheet of plastic wrap. Spread a layer of sushi rice over the nori sheet, leaving a 1-inch border on one side.